Hello my dear students of class Inter, Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture we are going to commence another lesson, Pakistan and the Modern World by Liaquat Ali Khan. As my dear students, Pakistan and the Modern World is a speech delivered by the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, Liaquat Ali Khan, at Kansas, USA, United States of America, when he was conferred an honorary degree at the University Kansas. So when he visited United States of America, he also delivered in his speech the independence, how they got the independence from the foreign yoke or from the Hindus in the subcontinent. He also realized the United States of America as the similarity with the Pakistan, as United States got the independence in the same way the Pakistan got the independence from the foreign yoke. My dear students, what he said in the speech that was delivered at Kansas, United States of America, he delivered that we Muslims were minority in the subcontinents, whereas the Hindus were majority. So he also realized the United States of America's leaders that there was a big difference between the Hindus and Muslims. What was the difference between Hindus and Muslims? Because the Muslims were the monotheists and the Hindus were the polytheists. Because the Muslims believed in one God, however, the Hindus believed in different gods. So there was a difference of religious. There was also difference of cultural, and there was also difference with political, and there was also difference between the economical causes in the subcontinent or among the Hindus and Muslims. So my dear students, so in this speech, Allama Liaquat Ali Khan was also elaborated the reason of the independence. So as I already told you, as a religious, cultural, political and economical cause. So it was the speech delivered at the Kansas, United States of America, when his first visit to the United States, and he was also bestowed, conferred an honorary degree. As we have to also understand the introduction in the modern world, Pakistan and the modern world, Liaquat Ali Khan was born on 1st October 1895 and died on 16 October 1951. However, he was the right-hand man of the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and during the crucial year of Muslim struggle for the creation of Pakistan. In 1947, he became the first Prime Minister. Of Muslim of the homeland father, he had worked as law's great statesman with a deep compassion for human suffering and fine orator, sincerity and eloquence. So because it was the birth and death of Liaquat Ali Khan. Okay. So my dear students, he also introduced to the United States of America in his speech how Pakistan got independence, how they faced in the creation of Pakistan, how the Hindus behaved toward the Muslims as a minority, and how Pakistan at the beginning suffered as Hindus, as Muslims were not given the military aid or economical support in the beginning. So these were the reasons that were given to the delivered in the speech by the Liaquat Ali Khan. So my dear students, this was the brief introduction about the Pakistan in the modern world as a speech delivered by the Liaquat Ali Khan in the United States of America at Kansas University when he was conferred an honorary degree. So that was the reason he told or delivered in his speech as well. So my dear students, so I would like to give you the homework that you have to solve and have to give the answer to these questions, and you must go through the lesson and find out the answer to these questions as well. So there are 10 questions. You have to answer these questions. This is homework for you as well. And this is also homework for you that why the Muslims of South Asia strove to found their own state. Why? Reason. So because the writer is asking us the reason why they wanted to separate homeland for the Muslim of India. This is also homework for you. Okay, so these are two homework for you. And the next we will also proceed from this point as well. Okay, thank you my dear students.